A sleek blender rolls through a busy street, spinning jokes with every turn as pedestrians pause in amused wonder. When juice bursts, it winks at a tired office worker, delivering citrusy punchlines with playful swagger. A nearby coffee grinder taps out clacks that sync with traffic lights, turning a commute into a tiny street show. A toaster flashes a bright crumb of truth about mornings, while a kettle adds soft sarcasm to the chorus. At sunset, the Gadgets bow to the crowd, proving humor can sell without shouting slogans.